capband.com. It is one of the coolest website I came across in the internet. Firstly, website loads almost instantly, and landing page is simple and has bold text which changes very fast. And of course, all the keywords displayed actually makes us feel they are representing that website. We can see social media icons at the footer left and language setting at the footer right. Once we hover on the About span tag, we see white overlay up to the half of the page. And About span tag has a cubicle animation which is actually cool. Once we click on the About, it will redirect to About route with smoother animation. We can see heading of the page is loaded sequentially and makes us automatically focus on it. If we scroll further, we can see a workspace video which is actually a Vimeo video embodied. And as we scroll down, we can see a promo video which helps us to understand their work more clearer, and also a list to show what they do. We can see a graphic using Canva tag which is actually cool. On scrolling further, we can see clients, and more cooler thing is the way they show their team. They put small gifs of teammates on one side and social media links on other side. On little more scroll, we can see email to contact and their address, and a career option to join them. On complete scroll length, they kept nice way to send emails for marketing purposes. On click on works in navbar, we can see a vertical carousel which scrolls after certain amount of time. The colors used in background are really nice and not too over too nice. And that's where I fell in love with. The link of this website is present in the description below.